guys, welcome back to the fake home. Today I have a really exciting vlog. So we are finally doing our backyard after living in our home for about a year and a half. We did know that we were gonna have to spend money on our yard when we first bought the house because it just comes with basically dirt and a little paver pad by the sliding door, but we knew that eventually we were gonna have to spend money, and that time has come. So today is Friday and tomorrow's Saturday. We're finally gonna get our yard done. We are not doing anything too major or too expensive. Honestly, we wanted to keep it affordable. So my friend actually recommended a guy that did her backyard, and he's pretty affordable and his work is really good. So I ended up messaging him, and we did have to submit a design review to our HOA, and that actually took a month to get approved. For a second, I thought it was just not gonna get approved, but our design is so simple that I didn't understand why they were not replying, but they actually ended up replying exactly a month after I had submitted. So finally everything's approved and we can move forward. So we actually just got in the pavers in today. They were delivered outside our home, so I will show you guys that in a bit. But I also wanted to show you guys our yard, how it currently looks like, so you guys can see the before. But like I said, it's not going to be anything major. All we are getting is a 12 by 12 paver pad, and it's just going to be pavers that match the pavers that we already have in the front of our home. And then we are going to leave 3 feet from the back wall so that I have room to plant something. I still don't know what I'm going to plant, but HOA did provide us a list of plants and trees and shrubs and flowers that are pre-approved. So I do have time to think about what I want to plant. And then all around the paver pad, we're just going to have rocks. We are actually going to have 3 little steps going into the paver pad, and then it's going to be kind of like a red rock that also matches the rocks that we already have at the front of the house. So let me show you guys what the yard looks like. So this is what the yard looks like from inside the house. We have these 2 tall sliding doors. So I'm excited to finally have a pretty view when I have the curtains open. But let me show you guys outside. So this is the little paver pad that came with our house, and then the rest of the yard is basically just dirt. I don't know if you guys can see the green lines, but that was what the landscaper drew out when he came to give us a quote on the yard. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a square here, and that's basically gonna be the paver pad. It's gonna be a little bit bigger than this. And then you guys can see 3 little squares here. Those are gonna be the steps going into the paver pad, and then everything else is basically gonna be just rock. And then all the way back here, he also drew another line, and that's gonna be the 3 feet that we leave from the back wall so that I have room to plant something. If you guys have any ideas on what I should plant, let me know, because I did want to plant roses, but those are not part of the HOA approved list. So give me some ideas, because I still haven't made up my mind. This is the little gate we have on the side, and those are the rocks that are basically gonna come all the way in, because you guys can see they stop right at the gate. So they're gonna end up being all around here. And yeah, like I was saying, we do have a pretty big yard for us that we didn't really care to have one because we don't have kids or pets. But we did just go with something simple because, like I said, I wanted to keep it affordable. In the beginning, we were planning on doing cement just all around because we never really wanted grass or even like fake grass. So we were thinking about cement, but then I did want something a little more breathable just because of how hot it gets here in the summer. So that's why I did go with pavers. I actually saw a TikTok too of someone talking about that, how you should have I forgot the word she used, but basically you should get flooring that is breathable in if you live in a really hot area, or if you live in an area that gets really hot, because then it's like impossible to be out there with how hot the floor is gonna get. So that's why I did go with pavers. And then we did just go with something simple because we have been talking about how this is just our first home. This is not gonna be our forever home. So honestly, we just wanted to get it done so that HOA wouldn't say anything to us. So that's why we just picked like the most simple design. But obviously I'm still gonna try and like set it up cute with like decor, and whenever family comes over we can sit out there, but we don't really plan on using it anyways. So we're never like outside. We're always in our home. So that's why we didn't want to spend too much money on it. The guy actually charged us $4,000. We did get 3 other estimates from 3 other guys that we found on Facebook Marketplace. And they all came and saw the yard and measured and stuff. And they all had different ideas. And the most affordable out of those was 4,700, I think, or 4,500. But like I said, this guy did my friend's yard, so I know for sure he's good at his job. So I trust him more than just men from Facebook Marketplace that I've only seen pictures of and not actual like real in-person work. So I'm happy that we found someone that we can trust. But let me show you guys the pavers outside. So these are the pavers that got delivered this morning. So the landscaper will be coming in tomorrow at 7 a.m. And of course, I will show you guys the whole process. I will try to record and show you guys the process, and then I'll show you guys the after. But I will continue the vlog tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and as you guys can see, they've already started on the yard. They got here super early, like 6:30, and it's already 9:20. And this is so far what they have. You guys can see the little steps that they're putting there, and then all the pavers that are gonna go on the pad. And then the rock just got delivered outside in the front of the house. So, and then back there you guys can see the pavers that they're gonna use to line up the 3 feet from the wall. But yeah, it's looking good so far, and I'll keep showing you guys the progress. And they said they'll finish today, so I'll be able to show you guys later the final result. Hey guys, it's 11:30 now, and this is what the yard is looking like. They're starting to set the pavers down. And they already put the rock on this half of the yard, so that's what the rock looks like. But it's looking really good so far. It's the next morning, and the yard is finally done. I forgot to show you guys yesterday. They ended up finishing around 3 p.m. And then we just got hungry, and then I forgot to record it. But here it is the next day. It's really nice. These are the 3 little steps. And then this is the 12 by 12 paper pad. And this is the area back here. It's 3 feet from the wall. And then they did leave extra pavers. And then the black cable is for when we decide to plant something back here. It's the irrigation system. And then everything else just has rock. So I'm pretty sure we're still gonna be able to put items over the rock. Like we're getting a like patio, like sofa swing. We're getting it in tomorrow, so I think that will just go here. I said tomorrow. That'll just go here, and then this will just be for when we're like eating out here with family, putting a table there and a grill. And then the rock just goes all the way back here on the side of the house where the AC unit is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we just went with a really simple design. We just wanted to get it over with. But it looks really nice. So I'll show you guys tomorrow what the patio swing looks like. Hi guys, it's Monday and we got off work and this was delivered. It's what I was telling you guys about earlier. There's a picture right here. So it's like a little, it's called a hanging porch swing. So we're gonna see how difficult it looks to build. And if it's something we can build right now, then we'll do it. If not, we'll probably just wait for the weekend. Oh, it doesn't seem that hard. That's a nice color. Okay. It's like a light beigey, almost white color. Yeah, those are the seat cushions. Is there instructions?
Sure there is.
So this is from Amazon. I'll link it, or I'll have it in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested, but this is what it looks like. I thought it was a 2-person thing, but it's actually 3 people. That's pretty cool. But I guess if we build it, I'll show it to you guys today. Do you think we're gonna build it?
I think so.
Okay, well, I'll come back and show you guys the final result. It is Tuesday now, and I wanted to show you guys the swing. Look at how cute it looks. I just did a little setup next to it because I wanted to take some video of it so I can post it on TikTok and Instagram. But I really, really like it. I love the color. They do offer it in other colors, and I like that it sits 3 people. And it also can get flat, and you can lay on it like as a bed. I think it's so cool. And I figured I would just close out the vlog because that's pretty much it for our yard. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have some plans out here of like stuff I want to put out here, but I will show you guys in a different vlog. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram at The Fig Home so you can stay updated on any house updates that I do. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one.